Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for Control Panel. After that, open it up and this type of window will be displayed. Here, click on the Network and Internet embed and then access Network and Sharing Center. Inside this tab, your currently active and connected Wi-Fi network will be displayed. Now, click on the Setup a new connection or Network embed and a pop-up will appear. Inside this pop-up, select the Manually Connection feature and on the next step, start entering the required information like its name, security type, and password. Once done, click on Next. On this page, if you want to change the connection settings, you can change them by accessing this feature, but for now, I'm going to let it stay as it is. Now click on OK and close it. That's how you can add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.